Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to this amazing channel. If you haven't yet subscribed and are interested in watching these types of videos, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified when new videos are posted. And today I'm going to show you how I apply it to my scalp and hair to help detangle it and increase hair growth. So I started by sectioning my hair, and then I applied my homemade aloe vera gel to my scalp. If you want to know how to make the gel, you can check out my previous video for quick and easy to follow instructions. Applying the gel is a bit tricky, so I decided to use an applicator bottle. After applying it to my scalp area, I gently massage it and distribute it to the strands of my hair. To make life easier for me, I do a flat two-strand twist as a protective style. This helps to retain my length as my hair tends to shrink very easily. Using this heat-free method, especially with aloe vera, usually works well for me, for my type of hair. As I continue to section my hair, it gets trickier and thicker. I put the aloe vera gel in it. It's just like magic. My hair instantly becomes less tangled and more manageable. Now that I'm finished with my flat twist protective hairstyle, I simply leave it like that until I'm ready to style my hair, or I'm going to go somewhere, I just pull it out. So that was it. That was a quick and easy tip to get your hair looking fabulous. I hope you've learned something new today in this video. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless you all, and see you on my next video. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when I post my next videos. Have a wonderful weekend.